Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the IBB, the REGN, and the AMGN. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go to the daily chart on the IBB. Volume was still light today, but we had a nice push up, 599 on the day, and a little bit after hours too. On some banking news, a lot of the sectors went up after hours. So let's look for a gap up, maybe into gap fill, maybe over gap fill. Let's see if we can attack the 52-week high at 323.45 area. Get back up there, then possibly higher prices. A little bit extended. I'd like to see this thing chop a little bit more. This come into price and maybe push it up. As long as we stay up in this range, we'll be all right. If it comes back in tomorrow and starts chopping down in this area, in the lower portion of this big red bar, then you'd expect lower prices to possibly come. So let's keep an eye on that in the IBB. But right now, nothing wrong. Nice little push up. Everything's going to be a market trade. So as the market moved up, the SPY, the IWM, and all the indexes, this went up with it. So everything went in tandem today. And it was a good overall day on the markets, guys. Volume, though, was a little bit light on the IBB. So you have to watch out for that. All right, let's go into REGN. REGN, or Regeneron. And same thing, guys. You know, we had a nice move up, nice bullish pattern. We came back in, nice retrace, got right back above this green bar. We might have had maybe a little gap to fill here, though, but it held, went up for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. I think it had a little bit of news. Came back after hitting the 543.59 area, came right back in. Now it's setting up a little bit bearish, still above the MA, so it's a little bit bullish. You have to respect the stance, but a little bit bearish, but could go either way here, guys. I want to see a little bit more, or if it starts going up, I want to see it retrace back over the 529.55 area. That's the big area, key area where it's got to get above. And of course, you know, the 445, 450, and let's see how high this thing can go if it moves higher. If it moves lower, then we'll look at gap fill. You got these low pivots down in here, then the 50 MA at right around 450 down here. So either way, 550, 560 area down here, 450, 448 area down there if it tends to go down. So Regeneron, okay still. Good move right here, though, guys. A lot of traders going to take some profit, especially if they were in down here from hitting this trend line down from months ago. So great trend line, hit it, took off. A little bit extended overall, but it's still inching its way up. So got to respect that. And if you're long, just tighten the stops. If you want to look to go short, see if you can get a little bit of retrace, get back up into this area, and then you can start thinking about taking a short here. So 513, let's see what happens tomorrow and Friday. I want to see the Friday close on this with the weekly close as well. Amgn. So this one's going okay, guys. We're chopping around right here. So let's keep an eye on this pattern. We still are above the moving averages. This one's starting to stretch up, and we had a nice move up to engulf this candle. So that's a pretty good reversal candle at the highs, possibly telling us 176.88. Maybe the 180 area is possibly reaching this one. Still have the 750 right here at the 175.77. So we'll see how it reacts if it starts moving up. You have another area of resistance around 181.87 as well. Let's pull back on Amgn, and that's going to be this pivot high here. But you also have the gap fill on this area. I mean, you can mark that area in there too, but I think you can overshoot and possibly go a little bit higher. 184.19 is a big area as well. Just kind of waiting for pattern, guys. Right in between this big gap here. And let's see if we get a couple more days of consolidation. We'll probably be up tomorrow with the markets. That's at least what the futures look like right now. So let's see if this thing could push up higher, fill the gap, and go for the high here at the 184.21, which is the 52-week high there. Let's go to the weekly on this one really quick. We're going to go over this stuff on Friday too. This is what I wanted to show you, though. These are some big areas, guys, with the double top. This guy here. So let's see if we can channel through this. Another one with channels, guys. You know, I'm going to erase some of this stuff. So overall, you're down in, I'm going to put it right about there. Then you got big area here, and then, of course, double top. So you're just kind of chopping. If you wanted to, you could kind of do that. But see that? So we're standing in a range. Is this like the last hoo-ha going up? This is what we like to do here too at StockBookie. Let's put the retrace in there. How high are we? We had it in there. But 750, 618, man, that's a good retrace. It goes up a little higher. Man, you got to take a stab at this if you're not sure. If you're long, you got to take something off the table. If it goes up, it's going to go up without you. and then you'll just have to wait for one day it comes back and then rebuy it if you are an Amgn fan. All right, guys, if you like this video, go to StockBookie.com, sign up, it's free. What can I say? Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. Hopefully I'm helping some people out there and making it a little bit easier to trade these stocks up or down. I don't care. Long or short, don't care, guys. Just want to find the next good trade. All right, thanks for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.